Okay, I see on forums and things like that, this is the roof stay for the awning, as you can see. Spin around here. That, their lock nut that locks the top rafter. If you don't do them up tight while you're travelling, they vibrate out and you lose them. They can be a bit of a bugger to put back in. Here is my little trick for putting them back in. It is a tent peg. Now let me just put this down and I shall give you a demonstration. You've got two parts. You've got the bolt, and the nut. The nut goes inside this channel. Right, the trick is you can't get your finger in there to hold it down to screw the nut in. Slip the bolt in, slip the nut in, slide it up so you can see the threads through the hole. And you'll see that the thread will start and you'll be able to do that up. That's the easiest way. You can't get your finger in there, there's no other way of doing it. Just use a little tent peg, hook it up in there and you can hold it down while you do the nut. That's easy. Alright. And do them up when travelling. When you fold your awning down, they have to be loose obviously. After you've folded it all up, do them up and you'll never lose them.